In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize Monday.com for effective supply chain management. Whether you're handling orders, managing vendors, or tracking inventory, Monday.com can streamline these processes and help you oversee operations efficiently. Let's dive in and start by accessing your workspace. Upon logging into Monday.com, the first step is navigating to your workspace. This is your command center, where all projects and workflows take place. Familiarize yourself with the interface, as it will be essential for managing your supply chain effectively. Once you're comfortable, the next step is clicking on Board. Boards in Monday.com are the building blocks of organization. Think of them as digital whiteboards where you can track all aspects of your supply chain. This is where you'll create a dedicated board, which we'll call Supply Chain Tracker. To create this, type Supply Chain Tracker in the designated area. This title will serve as your primary hub for monitoring the supply chain status at any given time. After entering the title, click on Create Board. This action sets up the space where you'll categorize and track various supply chain stages. As the board generates, it's time to add structured groups like pending orders, in transit, and delivered. These groups visually classify each stage of your supply chain. By segmenting stages in this way, you're able to quickly assess where each order is in the process, which is invaluable for keeping operations running smoothly. With the group titles in place, the next step involves adding necessary columns. Columns represent specific data points you need to track, like due dates, status updates, or priority levels. Later, we'll also explore how to add more complex functionalities, so stay tuned for that.